done. I'm about to share my screen. You guys will let me know if you are able to see my screen. Okay, so guys, let's see. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear on your side? Okay, and it's fine. Let's see. Don't know why it's taking this long to save, but okay, it's done, it's done. I need to go to grade 10. This is where we are. Mathematics is exactly what we are doing. We didn't go back. Okay, it's fine, mathematics. And then let's see. Okay, let's see what's happening there. Okay. So guys, remember that we are preparing for term number 3, where in this case we are going to be dealing with some two-dimensional view. Oh, I'm not sure what's happening. I see a said Low is sending me a what's okay. It looks like he's having a challenge with the network, and that happens when he tries to log in. Okay, just let him know that I've already started. I've started. You'll do the is it Tuesday or Monday? Wait, you guys, you do the Monday. Okay. Okay, then it's fine. Let's see. Looks like my screen has disappeared. Let me do this and say start. Okay, then it's fine. I believe my screen is now sharing. Okay, so question number 5. Maybe let me. Guys, not really sure if you guys saw what happened on my side. That 11% was not enough. Now, it is to try get a connection so that I can charge. Are you guys still there? Guys, are you still there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me check. Yeah, I thought the 11% was going to be enough, but clearly, it wasn't enough. So I'm just connecting to the charger, and then it looks like we are going to be starting very soon. As soon as switch is off, then we will start. Okay, guys, it has turned on. Let me put in the password, connect the internet, and then I'm going to Zoom, and then I'm going to be sharing my screen very soon. Yeah, it's unfortunate. I did not think said we're going to experience some network challenges, but let's see if we can win. See. Hmm. Okay, I think I'm winning. And let me join the lesson. Okay, I'm just going to leave with my phone, and then I will join with another device. Okay. Uh, I will need to rotate this. Okay, and now what I need to do, it is to just share my screen, of which I believe is sharing. Let's see. Guys, can you confirm if you are able to see my screen? Can you clearly hear me when I speak? Guys, can you hear me? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, then it's fine. So this is where I was, honorable members, where I was saying this question number 5, it consists of the type of questions that we are going to be learning more about. Maybe before we go straight into that type of a question, let me just quickly give you guys the background of what you need to remember. I believe that by now you still remember that we have this type of a triangle. Let me quickly redraw that. This type of a triangle, which is called a right angle triangle, where we said that side is hypotenuse. You cannot tell which side is adjacent, which side is opposite until you have a reference angle. If I put the angle there, then the side which is opposite that, it is your opposite. Then this is your adjacent. And if you remember, I said when you answer the questions related to this, you use sine, cos, or tan. Also, you can use that theorem of Pythagoras where you say hypotenuse squared equals opposite square, but you plus it with adjacent squared. Okay, so now something that you might need to remember, honorable members, is that sine, the ratio for sine of an angle is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. And then for cos of an angle, adjacent over hypotenuse. Then when it comes to tan of an angle, tan over it is equals to opposite over adjacent. So if you have, let us say you are given something of that nature, you are given that, and then they add onto that one, they do that one. So you've got that, let's see, also have that, and maybe let's say A, B, C, and then D as an example. And then they give you this side to be 4, this side to be 3. And then from there, let's see like that. Maybe let's say this side is 30 degrees. So with this type of questions, honorable members, remember I've explained that above, and that is the end of it. So for example, they will say find A, B. And if you find it, we are going to give you 5 marks. Do you guys have an idea of how you can find AB? If you've got no idea, please do let me know so that I will explain what the process should be. Think about it and let me know if you've got an idea of how we can find AB. Mangliso, Offense, and Tebo, are you guys still there?
Yes, sir. So can you go back to the thing, that page? So, so what I'm thinking now,
Mm-hmm.
so you find the hypotenuse of ADC for that first
Mm-hmm.
triangle. You find the hypotenuse for there. Then once you have that hypotenuse, right, that's gonna be your opposite. Nah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, then since you have the angle and you have the thing, since you have the angle and you're looking for AB, you're gonna use sine, right? So you're gonna say sine 30 degrees is equal to whatever the hypotenuse of ADC is
Mm-hmm.
over over the hypotenuse. Then
Exactly that. Just hold on, Mangliso. Exactly that. I just want to check if Offense and Tebu they understand. Offense, do you think you've got an idea of what the honorable member is talking about there, or you do not understand?
So I understand.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tebu, what about the side?
I understand.
Okay, then it's fine. Since you guys do understand, then you will have to work it out. So very quickly, please do work out that problem where you then find AC. After you find AC, then you comment with the answer for AC. After the AC, then you find that AB, and then after AB, whoever who is done with that AB, just unmute yourself and say, I've got an answer. Do not comment with the answer, but just say, I'm done or I've got an answer. Did you guys hear me in terms of what you're supposed to do?
Sir, can
yes,
you
sir.
please repeat?
Oh.
I hope so. I want to quickly check for other problems while you guys work on it. Guys, just remember that this thing is charging, so that is why the screen will disappear. So please do take a screenshot, and then once you guys are done, I will reshare it again. Take a screenshot. Let's see. I see Mangliso has got the answer. Ofense and Ebu, are you getting the same answer or are you getting a different answer?
So I got the same answer.
Same answer, okay. Then it's fine. Okay, it looks like you guys have got an idea of what's happening. So now let's have a look at this one where they say, this is question number 5, where they say the diagram below shows a spotlight at point B, mounted 12 meters directly above a point C at the front edge of a field. Okay, the spotlight swings 44.3 degrees from the vertical to illuminate another point D at point D, the midpoint of AC. Okay, now they want you to calculate the length of DC. Where's DC? There's DC. Okay, so now very quickly you can also take a screenshot and then very quickly calculate the length of DC. I don't think this one is complicated. Okay, so just do take a screenshot and then calculate for that length of DC. Once you get an answer, please do the same. Either you unmute yourself and then you say you are done, or you can just comment in the comment section. And let me do this. Okay. 11 point that. Okay. Then it's fine. Oh, I forgot my thing's not sharing. Let me do this. Yeah, today's network disappointed us. Okay, I think my screen is now sharing. Okay, now that you've got that DC, now they want you to calculate how many more degrees the spotlight must swing in order to illuminate point A. So that is angle theta that they want you to find. Before you start working it out, do you guys understand what that question wants and also how to approach that question? Do you guys have an idea? Guys?
So I understand like what it's asking, but I don't know how to approach it.
I got you there, honorable member. Offense and table. What about on your side?
Yes, sir. I don't understand it at all.
Okay. Let's see. You got 11.7. Okay. So, if you got 11.7 meters, do you guys agree that AD is equals to DC?
Yes, sir.
So that means also this is 11.7 meters. So what is the total length there? Mm, 12,
So it's
13.4.
It's 23.4.
Oh yes, I meant to say 23.4, not 23.4 meters. So now, if you have that total length and you also have that total length, and this thing is a right angle triangle, why can't you use that to find this big angle?
Oh.
Then from that big angle, you will just minus that angle of 44.3, just so that you can remain with this small angle that they are talking about. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Offense and table, did you guys see how to work it out?
Yes, sir.
So I was having a problem with my phone, so I couldn't hear anything.
Okay. So what I was saying was DC, did you notice that DC is equals to 11.7?
Yes, sir.
And do you agree that DC is equals to AD?
Yes, sir.
How do you know, or what gives you the confidence that they are equal? It's because of these things. Can you see these things?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's how you know. So that means AC is equals to 23.4 because you plus those two distances. Does it make sense up to this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now since you have that length and you also have that length, then it means you can calculate this bigger angle. You see this big angle? You can calculate it, I think, using tan, because you have your adjacent there, and then you also have your opposite there. Does it make sense, that part? That part of finding that big angle, which you can call beta or alpha, does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then once you have that big angle, you can therefore minus this angle of 44.3. Then the remaining angle will be this small one, which is what they are looking for. Does it make sense now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then it's fine. So very quickly, what you guys can do on your side is to work on it, get the answer. As soon as you get the answer, then you can send it to me via WhatsApp inbox, and then I will therefore check it for you. I think for today, we can leave it here, honorable members, to allow for the next lesson. I'm glad you guys were able to hold on until we get to this point, even though the unexpected happened today. But otherwise, get ready for the next lesson, which should be on Monday. So, any questions from your side before I run away, or are you all okay?
All good, sir.
Oh, good. Okay, guys, I do thank you very much for joining. I will therefore run away until